Greetings, wonderful members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. In today's video, I'll guide you about Schwarzman Scholarship Program 2024. The best part about the Schwarzman Scholarship Program is that it offers 200 scholarships, allows you to apply without an IELTS score, requires no application fee, and doesn't require an acceptance letter. Additionally, each applicant receives a stipend of $4,000 for personal expenses. So in this video I'll provide comprehensive information on scholarship summary, overview of the scholarship program, including key details and benefits. Scholarship coverage, description of the financial and academic support provided to scholarship recipients. Eligibility criteria, requirements and qualifications necessary for applicants to be considered for the scholarship. Documents required, list of necessary documents that applicants must submit with their scholarship application. How to apply, step-by-step instructions for the application process, including links and guidance. Online apply video guide. For students facing challenges with the online application process, I have created an instructional video. Simply click on the link provided in the video description or comment sections. But before we dive into the video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you find the content informative, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. And, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Your engagement and support are immensely appreciated. Scholarship summary. The Schwarzman Scholarship Program, hosted by Tsinghua University in Beijing, China, offers a fully funded opportunity for students pursuing a master's degree. Open to applicants from all countries, the program provides 200 scholarships, making it a highly accessible option for international scholars. Notably, applicants can apply without needing an IELTS score, an application fee, or an acceptance letter, and each recipient is awarded a stipend of $4,000 for personal expenses. The application period varies for US and global applicants. It runs from April 2024 to September 2024, while for Chinese applicants, it is from January 2024 to May 2024. Scholarship coverage. The Schwarzman Scholars Program 2024-2025 at Tsinghua University offers comprehensive financial support to its recipients. This includes full coverage of tuition fees and a $4,000 stipend for personal expenses. Additionally, the program covers room and board, round-trip airfare to and from Beijing at the start and end of the academic year, and an in-country study tour. Required course books and supplies are provided, and health insurance is included, ensuring scholars have all necessary resources and support during their studies. Eligibility criteria. Eligible countries. Open to candidates from all countries worldwide. Educational background. Must hold an undergraduate or first degree from an accredited college or university, or its equivalent. Applicants currently pursuing undergraduate degrees must be on track to complete all requirements by August 1 of their Schwarzman Scholars enrollment year. No specific field of undergraduate study required, all fields welcome. Age requirement. Candidates must be at least 18 but not yet 29 years old as of August 1 of their Schwarzman Scholars enrollment year. English language proficiency. Strong English language skills required, as all instruction is in English. Non-native English speakers must submit official English proficiency test scores with the application. Acceptable tests: TEFL, PBT minimum score 600, IBT minimum score 100, or IELTS, minimum score 7. There are no IELTS or other language requirements if you have studied in an English-speaking institution in your nation for 2 years. Documents required. To apply for Schwarzman Scholarship 2024-2025, international students are required to submit the following documents: 2 essays, 3 letters of recommendation, online application, resume, academic transcripts, English language test scores, professional experience, awards and recognition, video. For instructions on how to fill out the application, click the link provided. After clicking, you will see the application instructions. Scroll down to the personal information section. Applicants must provide biographical and contact details, including legal name, nationality, and address, as they appear on their passport. A valid passport is required for admitted candidates, and dual nationality applicants must use the passport matching their primary citizenship for the student visa. About me. Biographical profile. Summarize your leadership accomplishments and future aspirations in up to 100 words, written in third person, ending with your country of citizenship. This is required and final upon submission. Curriculum vitae. Upload a recent resume or CV, highlighting leadership, professional experiences, education, and other relevant achievements. Limit: 2 pages. Video introduction. Provide a link to a 1-minute video introduction per the application guidelines. Essays. Each applicant is required to provide 2 essays and 2 short answer responses. The 2 required essays are a leadership essay 750 words and a statement of purpose 500 words. You can view the remaining instructions on the application homepage. How to apply? To apply for the scholarship, first create an online account for international applicants using the provided link. Once your account is set up, start filling the application with the following information. Submit your application to complete the process. Online Apply Video Guide. For students facing challenges with the online application process, I have created an instructional video. Simply click on the link provided in the comment section or visit website, thescholarshipguidebook.com, and scroll down to find the tutorial video at the end. That concludes today's content. Please show your support by liking the video, subscribing to my channel, and leaving comments with any questions you may have. Thank you, and much love to all.